Okay, let's get some tidying done. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I want to welcome everyone to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, hello, hello. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. Well, today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, as I said, and it is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And there will be a playlist in my comments below of all the other ladies who join this collaboration and do tiny tidies. So we're hoping we'll give you some motivation to get something little done in your house to see what a difference it makes. So here we go. Well, I'm doing a voiceover here because as I'm doing my chores and doing my filming, I'm yakking on the phone to my daughter. We always do the face chat, or whatever it's called, and quite enjoy it. And in this way we do some work together and we get lots accomplished. So right now I have been doing laundry for a couple of days and I have the last few loads left to do. So I thought, well, this will make a perfect tiny tidy. So I'm just folding up what's in the basket and I'm just putting them away. I don't have too much laundry left to do because, like I said, I started it a couple days ago and I got that washed and dried and put away. So now I just have a few little things left to wash and dry and put away. Let's see if you're on the anniversary. Yeah, you are. Well, that was my daughter you heard talking. And I'm just putting away some of my clothes in my dresser. And I kind of cleaned out my pants drawer and rolled all my pants up. And I put some of my summer stuff away. And I just put it in a bin under the bed. And I'm very thankful that I did that before we went out to close our trailer down. So now it's not such a big job to put things away. And there we go, nice and tidy. Okay, now I'm bringing you up closer so you can see my dresser. That's my sleep apnea machine, and I like to tuck it away so that my dresser looks tidy. So I'm just going to put it back by the mirror, put the little basket over it, and then I will arrange the things on my dresser. I added that little teacup to my dish and it matches almost perfect. That teacup didn't have a saucer and it goes really well with that little dish that I bought. And I put my earrings or rings or something in there before I go to bed. And I think it looks rather pretty. Well, just putting another load that I brought up. Or I folded these couple of yesterday, I believe, and they didn't get put away, so now I'm putting them away today. And now they're not in the living room, which is so nice. So we'll just get all this stuff tucked away in the drawers where they belong. Those drawers are pretty full, but this is the laundry that we used all summer. They had a big load of laundry to do, but now it's going to be all done. And it'll be so nice to have this chore off my list for a couple of weeks anyhow. I do laundry about every 2 weeks. Okay, closing up that drawer and just sorting some things on the floor that I have to put in the laundry hamper. Anyhow, there's always dirty clothes, isn't there? Okay, well, now I'm going to tidy up my bed. I do like to make my bed every day. When you sit in our living room, you can see our bedroom. And I don't like to have the door closed all the time. So I try and keep it nice and tidy and try and get the bed made every day so that when you look in the bedroom, it looks pretty. And it's not a hard chore making the bed. I will change the sheets and everything for our Sunday home reset. I don't change my sheets every week. I change them maybe every 2 weeks. Sometimes I go as long as 3 weeks. Whatever I think they need to be done. So this is me just putting my bed together. I have started a little bit of fall decorating in my bedroom, and mainly I've just put out those green cushions and then that little beige cushion in front of it. It's kind of a burnt orangey beige color. Anyhow, that's for fall. So there will be more in the Sunday home reset, more fall decor. Okay, another little chore that I have to do is put the dishes away. My husband has done the dishes, and I said I would put them away. So that's what I'm going to do, is get the dishes all put away. And yes, my daughter and I are still talking on the phone. We can visit for hours and hours. We like to do that. So just getting pots and pans put in the drawer. Not much fun watching, but hopefully it gives you some inspiration. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. And I'd like to send out a big YouTube hug to all my regular subscribers. I really, really do appreciate you, and I'm so happy that I'm past 800 subscribers now, and it seems to be staying pretty constant. So I'm hoping that I will get to my 1,000 before the end of this year and start 2025 out with 1,000 or more subscribers. To me, this is very, very amazing. I have a hate-love relationship with dishes, and I hate doing them, but I love it when they're all done. And in my house, there's always dishes, as I just put a whole load of dishes away from off my counter and see the big bowl sitting in the sink. Well, there's a few dishes under that. So hopefully I'll get those done after supper tonight, if I have some energy left from doing what I've been doing today. Now I'm just going to put the silverware away. Well, in the future, hopefully this year, but maybe not till next year, we're hoping to do a little renovation in our kitchen so that we can put in a dishwasher. Yes, there isn't a dishwasher, and I thought, oh, it'll be okay. I don't need a dishwasher. But I don't know. I always seem to have dishes, so maybe a dishwasher will help. And it will also give us some more counter space. So that will be a whole video, probably a bunch of videos, and hopefully we'll get it done soon. Okay, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday, and as you can see, I got my bed made and tidied up, and we got some laundry put in the closet. And we tidied up and put away the dishes, and now hubby is making supper. Always dishes. Anyhow, I think that's a good tiny tidy. So don't forget to watch all the other tiny tidiers do their motivation as well. And if you haven't subscribed to them, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. See you then. Bye.